Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Jimmy, and today we're diving into the world of delightful Indian desserts. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with some sweet treats. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of the sweetness. First up, we've got gulab jamun, which basically translates to I've died and gone to dessert heaven. We're talking 1 cup milk powder, 1/4 cup flour, a touch of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of glorious ghee, a splash of milk, 1 cup sugar, 1 cup water, 1/2 teaspoon cardamom, and a sprinkle of rose water. First, we mix those dry ingredients like we're in a baking band. Then, we bring in the wet ingredients, slowly, gently, like a romantic movie montage. We're looking for a nice, doughy consistency, something you can roll into little balls. Speaking of balls, these babies get fried in ghee until they're golden brown, like little edible suns. While they're frying, we're making a sugar syrup infused with cardamom and rose water. It's so fragrant you'll think you're in the middle of a Bollywood musical. Once those golden beauties are fried, they take a luxurious bath in that fragrant syrup, soaking up all that flavor. And there you have it, gulab jamun ready to rock your world. Next on our dessert journey, we're making besan laddu, little bites of nutty, melt-in-your-mouth heaven. We're keeping it simple with 2 cups graham flour, 1 cup ghee, 1 cup powdered sugar, and a pinch of cardamom powder. First, we're going to roast that graham flour in ghee until it's nice and fragrant. We're talking low and slow, folks, like a good stand-up routine. Once the flour is golden and smells like a dream, we're going to mix in the powdered sugar and cardamom powder. It's all about that gentle touch, folks, like you're handling a priceless artifact. Now comes the fun part, rolling that mixture into little balls or laddus. You can make them any size you want, but I like them bite-sized, perfect for popping in your mouth. And there you have it, besan laddu, ready to satisfy your sweet tooth and impress your friends. Chapter 3. Sheer Kurma, a creamy, dreamy delight. Get ready for sheer kurma, a creamy, dreamy dessert that's fit for royalty. We're using 1 cup vermicelli, 4 cups milk, 1/2 cup sugar, 1/4 cup dates, your favorite nuts, and a pinch of cardamom. First, we're going to cook that vermicelli in milk until it's nice and soft. Low and slow is the name of the game, folks, just like our besan laddu. Once the vermicelli is cooked, we're going to stir in the sugar, dates, and nuts. We're going for a symphony of textures here, folks, a little something to tantalize every part of your mouth. Now, here's the secret weapon, a pinch of cardamom. It adds a warm, inviting aroma that will make your kitchen smell like a spice market in India. And there you have it, sheer kurma, a dessert that's as delicious as it is beautiful. Chapter 4. Kheer, the OG rice pudding. Let's get classic with some kheer, the OG rice pudding that's been satisfying sweet tooths for centuries. We're talking 1/2 cup rice, 4 cups milk, 1/2 cup sugar, 1/2 teaspoon cardamom, and your favorite nuts for garnish. First, we're going to cook that rice in milk until it's nice and creamy. We're talking low and slow, folks, like a Sunday drive through the countryside. Once the rice is cooked, we're going to stir in the sugar and cardamom. We're going for a delicate balance of flavors here, folks, something that's both sweet and aromatic. Now, here's the fun part, garnishing with your favorite nuts. I like to use almonds and pistachios, but you can use whatever you like. And there you have it, kheer, a classic Indian dessert that's simple to make but oh so satisfying. Chapter 5. Pita, little discs of creamy goodness. Last but not least, we've got pita, little discs of creamy goodness that will have you saying, oh my ghee. We're keeping it simple with 1 can condensed milk, 2 cups milk powder, 1/4 cup ghee, and a pinch of cardamom powder. First, we're going to mix together that condensed milk, milk powder, and ghee in a saucepan. We're going for a smooth, homogeneous mixture, folks, like a perfectly blended smoothie. Now, here's where the magic happens. We're going to cook that mixture over low heat until it thickens. We're talking constant stirring, folks, like you're conducting an orchestra of flavors. Once the mixture has thickened, we're going to let it cool slightly before shaping it into small discs. You can get fancy with cookie cutters or just use your hands. And there you have it. Peta, a delightful Indian dessert that's perfect for any occasion. There you have it, folks. 5 incredible Indian desserts that are sure to satisfy your sweet tooth. From the syrupy goodness of gulab jamun to the creamy decadence of pita, There's something here for everyone. So go ahead, grab your ingredients and get cooking. I'm dying to see what you come up with.